Okay, so what's up, guys? This is Stuart FX Fripper, your number one trader in Uganda here. So, guys, a lot of people have been asking what forex trading is. Maybe they see us flexing, maybe, and they admire the life that we live in. But then they would like to know what forex trading is. So today, I'm gonna tell you what forex trading is, and I'm also gonna give you basic 6 steps on how to begin your forex trading journey in 2025. So, forex trading, also known as foreign exchange, is the buying and selling of currencies of different countries in an attempt of making profits or depending on their fluctuations. Okay, so guys, you wanna have a good life? These are the 6 steps on how to learn forex trading in 2025. 1. Research how the currency market works. So, understanding how foreign exchange markets work is instrumental and to the success of your trading journey. It's crucial to spend time making some research, maybe using some Google, YouTube. Okay, so to help you understand better, you can follow my Instagram pages, Telegram pages. The links are below in the video description. So, number 2, understand the advantages of risks of currency trading. There are many advantages and risks that you need to keep in mind, okay, if you want to trade currencies. So, here is a list of some important aspects you should consider when you're trading these currencies. So number 1 is high liquidity. Remember, the forex market is one of the most liquid markets in the world. Okay, so the benefit of this is that your spreads will be tight, but the downside is that you might not be able to trade at the level you want because of the underlying prices lend to do what, to move quite fast. Okay, because remember, this market is too fast. And another thing is market volatility. So the forex market is popular among traders because of its volatility, which means that the currency pair can move quickly and suddenly. Okay, so when trading forex through brokers like using equity brokerage or any other brokerage, okay, you will be you'll be using some leverage. Like equity has 1 to 2,000 leverage. If you want its link, the link is in the bio, right? So another thing is also position sizing. Okay, so guys, step 3 is open up a demo account. So every broker provides you with a demo account. What's the use of this demo account? Demo account, actually, this is virtual currencies, right? They give you maybe to train yourself, to maybe train your different strategy. Maybe if you've made an EA or a robot and you really want to test out. Remember, when you're testing out strategies or when you're just learning forex trading, you can't use your real money because you automatically don't know what to do. Okay, or even you're testing out that strategy that your mate has told you about, meaning you know nothing about forex trading. So you need to open up a demo account. Maybe you can get a demo account of maybe, let's say, 10k USD, 5k USD, or 20k USD. Then you try out your strategy, and then you will have to know, like, which lot size am I going to use? What is the best lot size? If I put let's say 0.01, how much am I going to make if I'm trading gold? Let's say if it moves 100 pips, how much am I getting? Maybe if you want to increase the lot size. So all the things you will get to be learning. So when actually, if you want to try out maybe a live account, then you'll have to decrease that demo account. You'll have to get now depending on how much you'll want to deposit. Let's say if someone has like $1,000 USD and would like to use $1,000 in his or her live account, what he or she will do will maybe get that demo account, decrease it, withdraw or deposit $1,000 in demo. Then you will try out that thing for at least 2 weeks to see, like, okay, I've deposited $1,000 and maybe I went to Stuart or the Free Academy and they taught me this strategy and this. Okay, how are you able to grow that $1,000, that 1,000 demo account? Okay, how much have you grown that account? Let's say in 2 weeks, can you make the least amount of your beginner, and maybe you're trying to make, let's say, $100 each day. It means that in a week you have to have made like a $500. Okay, and in 2 weeks that's another $1,000. So if you're a beginner, of course, it might be not that easy. Then you'll be like, okay, in 1,000, can I make $500? So if you can do that thing consistently, then you can literally deposit on your live account. Okay, so number 4 is that you have to develop your trading strategy. Now remember, we're having a lot of strategies in here, or a lot of strategies in forex trading. Remember, this thing is not gambling, right? So a lot of people may like to go with the fundamentals, or what they call news trading, and others may like to go for price action, one of the easiest strategies. Another one would like to go for the ICT concepts, maybe the SMC concepts. Then maybe someone would like to go for any other strategy. There are many strategies that I even don't use. There are a lot of strategies, and there is also BTMM, or be the market maker concept, the one of moving averages. Someone might be like, okay, I want to use this. So then number 5 is that trade in a live account. So trading in a live account is what I just explained in number 3. After you opening up a demo account, then open up a live account. If you don't know the best broker to use, then of course, if you're in my channels, because we are giving out free lessons, we have started giving out free lessons, free signals. So the links are always there in the bio. If you don't know the broker to use, the best brokers to use. Okay, so open up a live account. To add on how to develop your trading strategy, remember there are a lot of strategies in the market. One is the trend trading strategy. So this one helps you to spot the direction that the market price is taking by analysis of historical price movements. Then maybe also there is the range strategy. So guys, doing that, you will have to open up your live account. Then you enter the money game. Then this is where you're going to face the challenge on live account. You will face the emotions, right? So remember, in trading, psychology is needed, right? But that comes with experience. So you open up your live account, as I've helped you, or I've told you now how to open up a live account. Deposit maybe your $1,000. Then do the same thing. Don't allow emotions to maybe take over your mind. Okay, so do the same thing as you've been doing it on the demo account. Maybe if you have the free signals we give you, try to trade. Then you will have to build your consistency. Okay, so that's when you will be profitable in this market. Okay, so you start trading the currencies. Okay, start trading the metals, start trading the cryptos, start trading everything. So what is my last advice to you guys? You want to really make it in 2025. I started forex trading in 2023. I was an electrician before. Okay, I used to do house wiring, maybe pole climbing. I used to do a lot of stuff, and I was also a newbie in that electricity industry. But it was even more risky. Okay, you see, forex trading is risky, yes, but then for sure, electricity, it involved even life. Okay, to me, that's my opinion. So my last advice to you guys is that once you don't give up, once you're always in my channels, seeing what we are going to start providing to you guys, different materials of trading, different strategies, everything about trading. We want to show you how at least we became successful. Okay, we are not that much old. Right now I'm 22, but at least I've achieved a lot of things that maybe other people have not achieved yet. Okay, so stay up tuned. Okay, just click the link in my bio, join my groups, join my Telegram groups, my Instagram, my everything, and then we move together.